Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where VPN connects and then automatically disconnects on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, ideally, this can also happen if you're using multiple VPNs because only one VPN should be connecting at a time. Otherwise, the protocols will conflict. But this must be something that is a matter of common sense. So the next solution will be to update and reinstall the network drivers. Okay. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter and then select update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to change the power management configuration. So open device manager, expand the list for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one, select properties, and if you find any power management tab, then we have to act accordingly. Now we don't have it here. Let me show for this one. We don't have it here. Let's see for this one. Okay, in the power management tab, uncheck this box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Okay, and similarly, if you have this kind of MediaTek driver which has the power management tab, then uncheck that option. The next solution is to use the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. The last solution is network reset. Now what does network reset do? It is basically a combination of commands which will flush the DNS, reset the WinSock, reset the TCP IP. It does a lot of things. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Click on network reset and then click on reset now and then click on the yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.